Hello everybody, I'm Enchanted Moon and welcome to my channel. I got this witchy unboxing for you. For June, this is Midnight Muses Deluxe for June. Loving it. Okay. So, our paperwork theme is Litha Fire Magic. And it's got the big sun in the paperwork, which is pretty cool. Her themes always match her paper and everything else. It just blends all nice. And each month it changes, which is nice because a lot of thought and love goes into that. So we have this beautiful picture of a witch. Really nice, beautiful for the Book of Shadows. It's the beautiful shiny paper. And then we got this one, which is really pretty as well, for Litha. So we have these two pretties. Okay, put that over there. We have right on top another spell, nice size spell sheet. This one's called Success. Very pretty. My hair's like crazy. And like I said, everything matches. So this month we got black with the sun, black paper with gold stars. So let's see what's in our envelope. We have a tarot card. This one is 10 of Cups. 10 of Cups. I already did my unboxing of the Midnight Muses regular. This is the Deluxe, which are both different, so you can get both and never get the same items, which I think is wonderful. So I'm so thrilled to get all of them now. Right on top, we have this black sachet, and it has this beautiful card, the black rose, and we have a pentacle. And it's like silver and black. I don't know if you guys can see let me see if I turn the light on, if it makes it better. Let's see. Let me see. I'm hoping that makes it better so you can see. Yeah. Here you go. You can see better. We got a perfect bow here tied. And I'm going to show you the paper this on. It's really pretty. The card. It's got this pretty black rose. So I thought that was nice. All right. Very pretty. So we have that. And then we have this one right there, tied in a perfect bow. I get so excited. Takes a few minutes because, like I said, they're tied really good. All right. It's like a satiny feel bag. Oh. What's in this bag? We have a teeny tiny, it looks like some kind of gemstone, it could be a topaz, could be a citrine, but it's very beautiful. Wow. Very nice. Got that. And then we have right here, another beautiful black sachet with a pretty bow. Orange chime with a gold star for your candle. Okay. Then we have, let's see. No, all right, I'm gonna grab this. Midnight Muses Honey Bomb. This beautiful black tin. That smells delicious. And it's got flowers in there. It smells so good. To me, it smells like a vanilla, but maybe it's the coconut I'm smelling, or honey extract, or the essential oils can be vanilla. It does smell really good. Then we have a huge beeswax candle, and inside we have orange beeswax wrapped with a yellow. That's pretty cool. I like that. Perfect for Litha. We have this big item and there's just no way around it, guys. I'm gonna have to grab it. It's heavy. Heavy duty. Heavy duty. Let's see. I think I have a scissor right here. Wow. We got this big, beautiful pentacle. I guess it's not the chime hole. It looks like the household candles. Or you probably could put a chime in there too if you wrapped something around there to keep it straight, but you probably can even put a tea light in there if you wanted to, or a pillar. But this is beautiful. Check out all that work. Really, really nice. Beautiful statement piece for sure. Probably can put a little candle on top. Pretty cool. Let's see what else we got in here. Ooh, wow. We have our bubbled item. We have the Sali Noor perfume oil. Very nice. We have, what else we got in here? Oh. We also have a black pentacle candle snuffer. It's black metal with gold pentacle. We have Sali Noor ritual salts and Element of Fire herbal blend. It's nice and stuffed. And that might be it. Oh no. We also have our Sali Noor incense sticks with little pink tips. Now, I believe that's everything in this awesome box. Her boxes every month blow me away. Okay. All right, so Litha on this year falls on June 20th in the Northern Hemisphere, closely associated with the summer solstice and midsummer. This is the longest day and the shortest night of the year, making it the pinnacle of the sun's power. A festival of fire with celebrations centered around bonfires, which makes sense because our ancestors were celebrating. They relied on fire and sunlight to be a lot more than we do today. Their ritual was about the sun returns and honoring its return. Ancient cultures would light bonfires and dance all night until the flames reduced to embers. They would jump over the burning coals to make their wishes for the months ahead. Items in this box could be used as they are listed or any way you choose to. I love how she gets that beautiful picture in the paperwork. Okay, so incense sticks. You can cleanse, smoke, swirl around you. This is a blend that contains frankincense. And that's what it says there. This blend contains frankincense. And it's 100% natural, hand-rolled blend of fresh herbs, spices, and flowers. And ethically sourced. Then you can use the ritual salt if you'd like to around your circle. Use it in your ritual. You can add it to your bath, whatever you choose to do. This doesn't say what they're made of either. All right, so black currant extract, vanilla absolute, and it has Epsom salt, sea salt, and dried hibiscus. Then we have the perfume oil. Your pulse points, element of fire. This has notes of flambéed cherries, spices, and a kiss of bonfire smoke, and infused in almond oil. Always do a test patch before you put this on your skin or clothing. Success spell. Paper. The items you need are listed here are also included in this month's box. So with this spell, you need your yellow beeswax candle, your pentacle candle holder, your orange candle, your gold candle holder, candle snuffer, and your pentacle necklace, which is this beautiful baby here. All right, so that's all for your spell, which I love that she includes in her boxes. And we have the yellow beeswax candle with the orange. Hand-rolled orange and yellow beeswax representing the sun, hope, optimism, elimination, and success. It smells so good. Pentagram candle holder, cold cast resin, wax ivy leaves. Candle holder will hold a taper as well as a pillar candle. And I think it also will hold a tea light. Do I have a tea light handy? I do not. If I did, I wanted to see if it would fit in top so I'd know for sure. Candle. All right, so orange spell candle, gold chime holder, and the beautiful candle snuffer. We have that pentagram necklace. It's a symbol of the magic, or of course what they call it. It's a protection symbol for as well for us. Functioned as a symbol of protection of and perfection of humanity among others. Drawing a circle around the 5 points creates a similar symbol referred to as the pentacle, which is used widely by Wiccans in paganism and a sign of life and its connections. The enamel pentagram charm is on a silver-plated chain. See spell for use. Gem-cut gemstone. That's what makes sense to me, yes. This beautiful baby. We thought it would be nice to bring you something different this month. So I hope this will be well received. Semi-precious gemstones include garnet, a reddish color, yellow quartz, or a smoky quartz. I love the use of gemstone cut stones with my other gemstone blends by placing them on top of the mix in a small bowl. Gems can also be used to make jewelry, etc. And then she goes into the garnet's magical use, yellow quartz magical use, and the smoky quartz. I definitely have the yellow quartz. So, is associated with creativity, joy, confidence, and personal power. I love this. I never had a gem quality gemstone. So this is really cool. I'm very excited. Okay, and then we have the element of fire herbs. Burn a pinch of the herbs in a heat-proof vessel as an offering to show gratitude. If you have access to an outdoor fire source, you can toss the whole thing into the flames, focusing on your wishes for the rest of the year. It contains lemongrass, hibiscus, dried citrus, mugwort, meadowsweet, clover, and vervain. Our honey balm. This balm was created using a family recipe and is specially formulated to provide gentle moisture to dry, irritated skin. Free from artificial fragrances and chemicals, contains honey extract. Really cool. And their beautiful artwork, which I do adore her Book of Shadows artwork. We got those. And the Intuitively Drawn is from the Craft Tarot. We got the same card in the regular Midnight Muses box as well from the Craft Tarot. It's Kraft Tarot. And she says she does have that on her website as well. So, what do you guys think of Midnight Muses Fire Magic? I love it. I always love her boxes. I cannot say enough. You get handmade items. You get every month it's different. That's what I like. You never know what you're gonna get. You know each month's gonna different paper, different what's the word I'm looking for? Different art, different love and attention goes into it. So those special details to me shows that she really loves to make these boxes. Let me know guys what you think. I'll leave you a description down below and have a blessed Litha.